Do you know ChatGPT has limits, but there are several tools that doesn't have? Ride with me in this episode as I introduce you to 8 AI tools you should know about in 2023. Please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you receive updates whenever I upload a similar tech trends. Are you interested in video editing? Then this first AI tool is for you. Runway ML. It is a powerful AI video editing tool to help you create anything. It has over 30 plus AI tools to help you in content creation. Check it out. The second AI tool you want to check out is Stock Image AI, shortened as Stock IMG AI. It is an image generation tool for businesses and creators. You can use it to generate logo, banner, art, posters, and stock images. The third AI tool you want to check out is ChatSonic AI. So do you want ChatGPT alternative but with superpowers? Look no further than ChatSonic AI. So where ChatGPT has limits like search engine optimization and content generation without images, ChatSonic does the magic. It has powerful tools. With precision. Then this number 4 AI tool is for you, Tweak Monk. Use this AI tool to help you write amazingly simple and detailed threads in a matter of time. It has analytical tool, AI writer, and more. So number 5 on the list is Superhuman. It is an incredible, powerful AI tool for writing emails. It is a blazingly fast, simple-looking email writer and sender tool.
What would you do with an extra 2 hours every day? Introducing Superhuman, the fastest email experience ever made. It's powerful, beautiful, and blazingly fast. Everything from search to send is faster than 100 milliseconds and feels instantaneous. Save time with keyboard shortcuts. Every command is at your fingertips. Fly through your inbox with powerful automations. Nothing holds you back, not even the time it takes to type. Make introductions with a single tap and use personalized snippets.
Are you looking for a podcast editing and recording studio? Number 6 of this AI list got you. That is Podcaster. Use this AI tool for insane high performance. It can help you record and edit podcasts in minutes. For free image generation, Playground AI is your choice. It is a great tool for generating arts and images. So if you are a code writer, this number 8 AI tool is for you, Blackbox AI. It is an astonishingly simple and powerful tool for writing codes with just text. Write a comment and you'll get a code in front of you in seconds. Check out the description section for the links to all these AI tools. Let me know in the comment section which of these AI tools you've tried and which ones are not even included in this list you would like me to cover in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you receive updates whenever I upload a new video.